na indi yu tuwetela tuonekana ngwatanio ya oka ni kukwatana nela ya azimio twitaanisia na mavu asunikana Akenya yu nimakwata ivuso ya kuvevuuka itina wa minista muveani wa uiiti Mutahi Kagwe kuvetanga mwamulo wa kukunika munuka na mask vala Enenthi yu mekwitikilwa maikakale na mask me vandu vena uthei ona wivo Kagwe niwenda Enenthi matiie myamulo ila ingi yikiitwe kwivo kwikala mataanisye kuendeeya kwisiana na lunyu twa corona ona itina wasiko siatuo kuendeeya kuoleka muno vandu ya Kenya Kennedy Mulinge ena mauvo a
endelea bwana.
Muthenya wa une nthi ya Kenya ikwatanisia miaka ili kuma kiko chambe cha muo wa COVID-19 kutangaswa. Kithito cha kukitana na uu kioneka kiende na kusia matunda.
Munaona aje?
Vala wala methito maikwatikana na uo wa COVID-19 thina withimu ileto ewa na muvea wa uiiti. Maiti la kwetha meungu ya kilungu cha ile yoloa yana kwambe wa simwele kufikia oyu. Muvea o muthenya wa umuthi walelie mo myamulo ya kukitana na uo wa COVID-19. Mwamulo wa kwikia mask Wandani uyumwa Enenthi yume na uthasio kwikia mask kana kuema Kwikia.
There has been a lot of debate and discussions on the continued use of face masks as one of the containment measures. The mandatory wearing of face masks in open public spaces is now lifted. Nonetheless, people are encouraged to maintain social distancing and avoid crowding in public spaces to ensure risk of spread is limited. We, however, encourage the use of masks in all indoor functions. The Interfaith Council will advise on the protocols in places of worship.
Valanza muyangwata na yanene mama kanisa kifutho konyo Kenya. Jinengwa kumwa kusofia myamulo imbia kunenga na molo toa maundu maudhaithi makanisani na misikitini. Andu nthemetikele kufika kundu kwa kuthaithia hindi ethome na nzanzo wa kwesiania na uo wa COVID-19. Ikinevua ou kwa maundu meo kwa nyambombano.
All in-person worship is to resume at full capacity as long as all the congregants and worshippers are vaccinated. The Interfaith Council is urged to develop protocols to facilitate resumption of full congregational worship with full capacity of venues where all congregants are vaccinated. All in-person indoor meetings to resume at full capacity of the venue as long as all participants are vaccinated. All attendees should be encouraged to wear face masks at the meetings venues as noted. Event organizers are required to ensure that this is followed as they will take up responsibility for events on which unvaccinated persons are present.
Pala muvea wa ukuina uo wizitikila kukua ndu usuiti tataneni. Aviko mimoveani umendeka kwithi wananzanzo ya kwesiene na uo wa COVID-19. Valova thokonu na ou aviko mi amendeka mekale mekite mask. Andu ala sanze na mekwenda kutambuka nthisi anzana momena uthasio wa kweka ou vataingwa kuthimwa. Indi maendeka kuatea myamulo wa kwesiene na uo wa COVID-19 undu yilie nthini wa nthi ila meutambuka.
In terms of in-country transport, all passenger service vehicles, train and domestic air flight services may resume at full capacity. However, the passenger service vehicles, trains and air flight operators are to ensure that their staff are fully vaccinated, while all travelers should have their face mask at all times during the course of travel.
Matambia manengano ni muvea wa uiiti mayoso ni mokoeli ni Enenthi.
Kwa serikali niye kwa itambesio kunenga na inji o freedom ya kwitha no meko ni serikali nienda kunenga andu make credit na nuni anenga credit ya andu mande alama na iwa mena kuyo ketha mwanenji ule kwetha kani nuko muno kweta biasala ika kusoko nuko kya kwa mask ndo kwetha kuthia na mbesa iya mwene ni sinema kwata ivuso ya kwa kwikana ira kwata mbesa thukuma
ne twe kwikia kanando ni meusio kanisani ala mekalile nthi ni kwitha serikali ni yatangaza ni wezi serikali thitha na kianda kinene yulu wa kanisa nela mami no tangaza o kindu ando ni maikia kwa twenda kwikia kana kuma yu ando ni meusio kanisani na mayende yanakuthaitha undu manathaitha tena.
Kennedy Mulinge, Mutongo TV.